Hi guys, I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. I have an exciting palette that I'm reviewing today. If you have not heard or seen, you've been living under a rock. Pinky Rose Cosmetics is a newish to me indie brand. I've not really tried many indie brands. This is my first indie brand, I believe, on here on my channel. This is what she looks like. Look at it, look at it, look at it. This is the Center Stage palette. Absolutely love it. Comes with a mirror. I just love the warm grungy tones with the pops of purple, the red, the earthiness. It's beautiful. I picked her up from makeupnet.com and .com.au, and it's my favorite place to get like American palettes for American makeup at affordable prices. Not sponsored, just saying, because honestly I shop there all the time and I love it. Again, I think they don't have this in stock at the moment, but anyway, you can, I'll link Pinky Rose Cosmetics down below. I have 3 of their palettes. I have this palette, the Transition palette, as well as the Bright Light palette. If you'd like me to do any other reviews on Pinky Rose, do let me know in the comments below. Let me know what palette I should pick up next. I'm thinking of getting the Obsession palette because the colours in that is literally calling my name. But anyway, I've done my base. I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get some colour onto my eyeballs. I just spent the last however many minutes looking for my brushes. I'm blind when I haven't got my glasses on. It's a problem. Let me know if anyone else is in the same position when they do their makeup. It's a thing when you take off your glasses, because then, you know, when you're about to sit down and you can't find your glasses and you stress that you can't find your glasses and you're going to sit on them and break them. Or is that just me? This is an M2 Beauty brush from their Christmas range and the colour picks up really well. Really pigmented. Not bad for a transition colour. Yeah, that's a really pretty colour. It's building up really well for a cream. Blend her out. I washed all my brushes last night. Look at me go. I know. It's more like a warm tone, like orange tone base cream, which makes sense because like it's an earthy palette. I just quickly caught up on the other eye. It's not even that messy in the pan. I don't feel hard packed at all, which is good. I'm going to take Star, which is this beautiful mustard colour, on this Sports Girl brush. That's a beautiful shade. Get my blending brush. This is just an e.l.f. blending brush. They blend out really well. I've been enjoying like a more blown out semicircular shape on my eyes lately. I don't really know why. I just do. They blend really well. I'm going to take this shade, kind of more of a taupey mustard shade, if that makes sense. Probably not, but you know, it's called Flash. Just to deepen up that crease. Going back in with Star. I'm going to take Floodlight, beautiful shimmer. Really pretty. I'll do the other eye and then do the other underneath the eye, lower lash line. That's it, the word. Just so I can test out a few more of the colours, I'm going to take a fan, just sweep it like under the lower lash line a little bit. All of that stuff. These shadows blend out beautifully. They're not patchy. Beautiful colours. Seamless in blend. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take that one is Bloom. That's really pretty. And then for the highlight, the brow bone colour, there's not really like a light enough brow bone colour, so I'm going to have to take this colour here, which is Glam. That's pretty. Yeah, really pretty look. Overall, I think it's a really pretty palette. You get 14 beautiful shades. I haven't used them all as yet, obviously, but really pretty grungy, mustardy toned look. I love it. But for the price, I paid $42 on MakeupNet. If you can get it on, otherwise I will link the Pinky Rose website down below. I do think you need this palette. You get 2 actual pressed glitters, you get 3 foils, and the rest are matte. It's an absolute beautiful palette you need. So if you want to try Pinky Rose as your first indie brand, or you want to delve into indie brands, highly recommend them. So beautiful company, beautiful products. Can't wait to try more. Anyway guys, that's my latest video. I do hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that red little subscribe button, because that really helps me out as a small YouTuber here on YouTube. And don't forget to hit the bell notification, because otherwise you won't get to know when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Bye.